Kia ora whānau, anei te Hurihanga Whauhia. So I'm just going to briefly explain the words that we have here that are the stages of the Hurihanga Whauhia, or the inquiry process. Whakarohia. Whakarohia, thinking. To think or to pose a question about any given topic that you may want to know more about. Whakarohia, thinking. Hangahia. Hangahia, creating. Creating a plan to help you to investigate or to inquire or to find answers to the question that you've posed. So creating a plan. Hangahia, creating. Arohia. Arohia is implementing. So now that you have thought of a question in whakarohia, you have created a plan to help you to inquire or to investigate, to carry out your investigation or inquiry. Implementation, so putting it into practice, going through and carrying out your plan to find answers to the question you have posed. Arohia, implement. Finally, we have unuhia. Unuhia, to extract. So once we have posed the question in whakarohia, we've thought about it, we've asked a question. Hangahia, we've created a plan so that we can show your kaiako, your parents, or your friends how you're going to carry out your Hurihanga Whauhia. Arohia, we've implemented the plan, we've gone out and tried to find answers to the questions to give us deeper insight or meaning or understanding. And unuhia, we're going to extract and take out from your investigation the answers that we need for the questions we have posed in whakarohia. And so, therefore, it runs clockwise. And once you have done unuhia and you have extracted that information, you will be in a position to pose another question, wanting to find out more whakarohia, thinking. So one more time, whakarohia, thinking, hangahia, creating, arohia, implementation or implementing, unuhia, extracting. Whakarohia, thinking, hangahia, creating, arohia, implementing, unuhia, extracting.